every day I go to work, I like to leave my windows cracked. And if it rains, well, you're kind of screwed. So I always like to have vent visors so I can get a little bit of ventilation in the truck and not get rained in. So today we're gonna be installing a set of Joy Tutus vent visors on our 2023 F150. And I'm gonna tell you why these are better than your in-channel vent visors that I had on my other truck. They were a pain. So the most important step to this entire installation is cleaning around the windows. Make sure you are getting that very clean so this double-sided tape can stick. So we're gonna use a half and half mixture of rubbing alcohol and water. I just have it in a spray bottle. I use it for all kinds of stuff when detailing. I'm just gonna spray it on a microfiber cloth. I'm gonna wipe around the window, around the paint outside of the window, and then I'm gonna let it dry. May wipe it off with a dry microfiber cloth just to be sure. And then I'm gonna do it again before installing the vent visors. Everything was neatly packaged. And as you can see, you have a protective layer over the top. So once we get it installed, we'll pull those off. All right, so this is going to fit up here by the window. I think it's gonna go up flush with the top of the door and flush with the outside of the door. We're gonna peel some of this plastic cover off that is wrapped around the back. There's not a lot of that. Plastic cover's off. Now we're gonna remove the backing on the double-sided tape. I think some folks would start with just maybe a corner, but I'm gonna just do it the hard way and just take it all off, you know. Line it up with the radius of the door. Press it down and hold it for a few minutes, and we'll be good to go. Make sure it's aligned before you press it down. I'm gonna press this corner a little bit. We'll look at this side. And I'm just gonna put pressure on the entire thing, go all the way down. Do that 3 or 4 times. And then I'm gonna peel off the protective cover. Looks good. So we've got the back done. Now we'll move to the front. And then I'm just gonna start from this corner here and align it with the front. Okay, now I'm gonna find the driver's side front. I'm gonna check the plastic cover to make sure it doesn't wrap around anywhere. Looks pretty good. Pull the double-sided tape off. Well, don't pull the tape off. Pull the backing off the double-sided tape, just like we did on the rear. All right, we're ready to go. So we're gonna line it up with the top of the door. Good there. That's it, press it in. And of course, after you get it on there, you see, man, I kind of wish it was forward just a very small amount, but at this point it's stuck up there and it looks good. I'll show you in a second, a close up, what I wish I would have done, but that's okay. That's normally how installs go. All right, gotta pull the clear off. Okay, so I'll show you the back. This lines up perfectly, looks really good. I did a great job on that, thank you. This one, what was I doing? I should have gone forward just a hair. You see how it doesn't quite line up? It's really not that big of a deal, but wish it would have, because on the front side, we've got a little bit of a gap here. All right, I couldn't stand it. I had to move this one up So I was able to pry it back off and it didn't break. By the way, these are shatterproof, one of the selling points. So now we don't have a gap. Looking good. And looking good there as well. Heck yeah. I really like the look it gives the truck. And man, it's gonna be functional. Can't wait to be able to use that in the heat. All right, let's go to the other side. All right, got the passenger side on. Made sure there's no gap on this side. Looks real good. Lines up perfectly here. So as long as you got your eyes straight and you can get these things on like they should be, like I did on this side, everything lines up perfectly. That was one of the complaints I heard about one of the top name brands, is that they were cut all strange and they didn't line up great. Well, these line up great and they look really good. Okay, this is the main advantage of having these vent visors over the end channels. Windows down, window goes back up, no issues. With the end channels, you're gonna have to get them, I don't know, broken in or whatever before the window will go up and stay. Sometimes it'll go up and hit them and it'll come back down. And I had to do that like 10 times before I could ever get the window to go up and stay. They're really a pain in the butt. I really hated them. These are gonna never give me that issue, so they're already 10 times better. So it passes that test, but does it add noise when you're driving? Well, a little, but every vent visor I've ever owned has, so it's really not a big deal, and after a couple days you don't even hear it anymore. But there is a very, very slight wind noise that comes with vent visors. It's just part of having them. Well, if you made it this far in the video, you're in luck, because you're gonna get a 20% discount from Joy Tutus. If you use the code Build Your Own Adventure 20, you're gonna get a 20% discount on any F150 accessory. So go check out their website. I've got a link below. I've got our code below. Use those and enjoy your products. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will catch you next time.